Hi, you're watching TV9 News. I'm Pratibha. Even as we speak, a very historic meet is currently underway in the Middle East. The Indian Army Chief General M.M. Naravne is on a visit to UAE as well as Saudi Arabia. Now, this is a historic visit because this is for the very first time that an Indian Army Chief is visiting the Middle East. This meeting also comes at a time when there is a tectonic shift in the political allies of the Middle East. So, how is this going to affect the relations with India? No doubt India's relations with the Middle East is going to only better further because of this meeting. But what does it mean for India? Why is it that countries world over, especially Pakistan, would be looking at this particular meeting? To discuss more on this, defense expert and also the former Naval Intelligence Wing Chief, Commodore Ranjit Rai joins us. Many thanks for joining us. Commodore Ranjit Rai, if you can tell us what this really signifies for India, because this is a historic meet, it's an extremely important meeting. What does India achieve out of this meeting?
Now, it's a historic visit because this is the first time a Chief of Army Staff is going to UAE and also Saudi Arabia. Now, this is called military diplomacy. And it is the efforts of Prime Minister Modi and EAM Jaishankar who have decided that now they will involve the military in military diplomacy. And where there are gaps after Ladakh, they are seeing gaps, and therefore for India to rise, it has to have very good relations with its neighbors. It's got to have military exports. It's got to have security coordination. And that is what it's all about. That the Chief of Army Staff is going to go to UAE and after that to Saudi Arabia, where he will meet the top military officials and of course also try to push for Indian exports into this region.
Well, this also comes at a time when there are two factors. First, the improving relations of the UAE as well as the Saudi Arabia with Israel. That on one hand. Another unconnected development is the worsening ties with Pakistan as well. So what is it that India is planning to achieve out of this meeting? Because this leaves a space really for India to improve the relations with Middle East.
The visit of General Naravne, the Chief of Army Staff, to UAE and Saudi Arabia comes at a time when there have been a complete change of relationships and groupings in the Middle East. Israel has been recognized by both Saudi Arabia and UAE. On the other hand, Prime Minister Erdogan of Turkey has teamed up with Pakistan and Malaysia in a different grouping altogether. This is a gap, and therefore India has taken full advantage of this gap of relationship, where India is actually, once the COVID is over and things are over, a great opportunity of power with the Quad. With what has happened in Ladakh, India has taken on a bit of China. And therefore, America has very good relations with UAE and with Saudi Arabia. Now, Israel has relationships. So this is the gap that the Chief of Army Staff, for the first time, is visiting UAE and Saudi Arabia for the benefits that will bring about in the military and also the benefits it will bring about in India's diplomacy.
So not just the joint exercises, there's also a Make in India push that India can get, for the supply of the carbines as well to the Indian Army, that the contract for which has been received by the UAE. So this is going to help India as well, isn't it?
The visit of General Naravne also can give a lot of export possibility of the BrahMos missile, which has been now, I think nations are looking to it. There may be a relationship with Russia, allowing the exports of the BrahMos, which is a joint venture between India and Russia. Also, UAE actually had signed a contract from the Carousel company for rifles, which we need very badly. It has gone into the limbo, but maybe it will be activated. And therefore, no nation which wants to rise like India is rising on the world stage can be without defense exports. We became the #1 importer. We have to look at exports. And I think, again, Prime Minister Modi, External Affairs Jaishankar have decided that they will do more exercises. Saudi Arabia will do a naval exercise next year. UAE did an exercise with the Indian Navy for the first time. And now the window is opening for exports from India. We also have the ATAGS gun. The Army Chief will also push for exports both in UAE and Saudi Arabia.
So there you have it. It's a historic meet from December 9th to 14th. The meeting is going to take place. No doubt the relations with the UAE will be improving. With Saudi Arabia as well, it will be improving. And Saudi Arabia really has a pull when it comes to Islamic countries, which is why it's extremely crucial to India. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care.